Welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to unhide a chat on WhatsApp web using your PC, especially with the new update. If you've locked a chat and want to access it again, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to get back into your conversations. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to whatsapp.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. Next, click on the search bar. This is where you'll find your hidden chats. You'll need to enter the secret code that you used for your locked chats. Make sure you enter it correctly to access the next step. After entering the secret code, press Enter. This will bring up your locked chats. Now locate the chat that you want to unhide. Now it's time to right-click on the chat. A menu will appear, and from this menu you'll want to select the option that says Unlock Chat. Finally, you'll be prompted to enter the secret code one more time. Type it in and click Continue. And just like that, you've successfully unlocked your chat. You can now see all the messages and continue your conversations as usual. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting.